Siddhi, you can start.
Yes, the name of our project is Bus Reservation System. Here first we check the view bus detail function. There are some buses that we already added in the function. If I want to add one more bus, then I call the add bus record. As we can see here, a duplicate record is found, so we have to add the bus of another name. Here we can see the bus is inserted successfully. We can check if the bus is added or not by view bus details. You can see the Mumbai Travel names bus is added successfully. Now we can also update the bus details.
So now for the update bus details, since Siddhi entered the bus number ST 111 right now, if I want to update it, say it goes to some other place like Bhor, or I have to update the bus number, so I'll name it ST 333. Okay, fine. And then I'll name it as Bhor. So I'm basically updating the bus number ST 111 to and giving it a different name. So number of seats, let it be 30 and XYZ. This is the update function. So now that we
You
view,
can
the last bus record has been updated. If I have to delete the previous bus ST 333, it can be deleted. If we view the bus list again, we won't see the last bus record. It has been deleted. And now this function gives the all routes details. That's about it. So over to you, Chinmay.
Okay, so the next function is bus seats detail. So we can take any bus number. And here we can see the total number of seats, then the reserved seats and number of empty seats. So that's it.
So now we are going to put the bus number that we want to reserve. Okay, so as we see, the number is not in the listed bus, so it is saying it's invalid. Now, as you see, we have put the number that is in the listed bus. So now we have to put the number that we want to reserve. Number of seats. Now we have to put the customer name. uh, put something. Okay, now we have to put the phone number. Now we have to choose the location from where we want to go to the destination. Now the amount of single seat, total amount, and the received amount. Okay, now here is our receipt. Thank you so much for booking. Now over to Ayush.
So in search, we can use this function to search for a specific booking record. So as you can see, as soon as we put Siddhi as her, the customer name, all the her record is visible. So that's how this function works. So now we can go with update booking function. So in this function, we basically delete we update the booking by deleting the already registered uh, names and then re-registering it to something else. So that's how it works. So this is basically the booking function that has been recalled to book the new seat. So the next function is show all function that shows all the bookings that have been done previously. And then we have renew booking. So in this, basically all the bookings that have been made of buses are like removed.
So that's all from our side.